Hey YouTube, I just want to teach you something really quickly, and it is a coin roll. You can use any coin. So we are going to take the coin, balance it on your first finger, bring the second finger over, pinch, start again. So it goes like this, basically. So we're going to bring it over with your thumb, second finger pinches it, let gravity do the work to roll it over to the third finger, pinch again. Now with the pinky we're going to bring it underneath, bring the thumb, balance it, bring it back over. Do it again slowly for you. So we're going to start it here with the thumb, bring it over, pinch, pinch, pinky, bring back over. And that is the basic coin roll. You've seen it in a lot of movies, I guess. But it's just practice really. Then you'll be able to pull it off. It's quite a cool effect, or quite a cool flourish. Makes you look professional. Gets people's attention. Practice it everywhere you go. From when you're eating breakfast in the morning to sitting on a train or bus or whatever you're doing. And it does make it look really cool. And then everyone will appreciate your magic that slightly bit more. Thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. So press the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you guys.